Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit floors, floor properties, and finishes. Revit is a BIM software. It needs more information to generate 3D views and drawings. When in plan view, the drawing appears complete much like it does in AutoCAD. However, when you view the Revit model in a 3D view, the floors and ceilings are missing. Therefore, you need to model these elements as well. There are multiple ways to create floors. I prefer to create a slab, without finishes, and then add finishes over the top of the slab. First, to add /edit floors. Step 1. Select Floor Architectural from Architecture tab, under Build panel. Step 2. Select a floor type. For the first level of Eames house, we will use generic, 12 inches, but we will modify the properties later. Step 3. Select the level where the floor is located. And specify height offset from the level if required. Step 4. Draw the boundary of the floor plan. You can draw using straight lines or any of the other options. Make sure the boundary lines are connected and closed. Step 5. Click the green check mark to complete the sketch. Step 6. Confirm the location on a section view or a 3D view. You can click Section from the View tab, under the Create panel. And draw a section line for verification purposes. Make sure your building pod must be below level 1. Next, add a floor for the second level. Step 1. Open Level 2 floor plan. Step 2. Click Floor from Architecture tab, under Build panel. Step 3. Change the floor type to 3LW concrete to 2 metal deck, and verify the level 2, and the offset. Step 4. Draw continued lines for the floor. If there are floor openings, draw the openings as well. If the openings are inside the boundary of the floor, Revit will recognize as it is opening. Step 5. Click green check mark to complete the sketches. Next, edit floor properties. You will change the thickness of the floor 12 inches to 2 inches. Step 1. Select the first level floor from the 3D view. Step 2. Click Edit Type on Properties palette. Step 3. Click Duplicate on Type Properties. Step 4. Enter a new name. I recommend adding 000 underscore of the letter of the name. For example 000 underscore generic, 2 inches. Step 5. Then click OK. Step 6. Click Edit for Structure. Step 7. Change 2 inches and click OK and OK to complete. Next, add floor types for finishes. Step 1. Click Floor from Architecture tab, under Build panel. Step 2. Select Generic, 12 inches. Step 3. Click Edit Type. Step 4. Click Duplicate. Step 5. Rename to 000 underscore TL underscore 01, you will need 000 underscore TL underscore 02, and 000 underscore CPT underscore 01. Step 4. Click Edit for Structure. Step 5. Change the function to Finish 1. Step 6. Change the thickness to 1/2 inches. Step 7. Click by category. Step 8. Click Create a new material. Step 9. Rename the new material. Step 10. Check Use Render Appearance. Step 11. Change the foreground pattern. Step 12. Click Appearance tab. Step 13. Click Replace this asset. Step 14. Find appropriate material from Appearance Library. Step 15. Click the Replace icon, and close the Asset Browser. Step 16. If needed, change the color. Step 17. Click OKS to complete. Last, add floors for finishes. Step 1. Open a plan view to add the finish floor. Step 2. Confirm the level on the properties. Step 3. Change the height offset from level to 1/2 inches. Step 4. Draw floor boundary, please consider not to overleap with walls. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit floors, floor properties, and finishes. Thank you.